Hello, so to copy a product description or category description from Google Docs inside Triton and to see it on the website, here's how to do it. And what we want to avoid is to have these. We see that this is not the right font. This is Arial font. This is not the right size. So it doesn't keep the font, all the styles defined on the website. It has taken the styles from the Google Docs and in Triton, and we can see it here. If we go to Triton, in the description we see that all those styles, margin, font size 16, fonts family, Arial, color, all that, we don't want that. We don't need all these things. It's make the HTML code heavy and the style is not good. So we don't want that. So what we don't want to do, we copy from Google Doc. We paste it here. So I will remove that. We paste it here. And the first thing we do when we paste is format, clear formatting. Always. We always remove all those formats that come from Google Doc. And now this is the good font. We'll take it from the website. Then we remove the extra lines. We don't want that. We just want one line, one paragraph. This is not good to have several paragraphs. We want to avoid that. We don't need it. So like this is good. And then what we want to do, we want to do the bold because it has kept here. In this case, there is no bold in the text, so we lost nothing. But when we have like bold, like if it was bold this thing, if it was bold this, then we have lost it when we are clear formatted. So then we would have to do it again, the bold, by checking on the Google Doc manually. We take this, we put in bold, and this. Then what we want to do is click on the links. The links are good. This is not good. This is not the right link. And we should put it target new window. This is something we cannot do in Google Docs, but here in this case, I will show you. The problem is with this link. This link works good, but the problem is this is not the complete link. So we should go to set and then discovery boxes and then here. And now we have the full link is without the variant is this with exotic fruit discovery box. We want to take all that in the links. So we should update the Google Doc with all links with the text. Why we want to do that? Because the URL, the canonical URL is with the not with just that. It works, okay, but we need this, because if we take just this part, when we go to the search console on Google, it says it's not referenced on Google because this is not the reference URL of this page. What is saved by Google is this URL with all the text. If we just take a piece of this URL, Google will not recognize as a URL that is indexed on Google. We should take everything until this. This is the canonical URL. And yeah, this is important to do. Mango discovery box, which should take everything and target new window. And this is also not good, should be corrected. Mango can't, new window. This is not good because this is a search. It should be the product. There is one product without the variant for Mango Kent. Then Mango num.my. This is not good. New window. Okay, and now when we have done everything, the links are correct, the bold, the italic, everything has been remade. When we have clear formatting, it has clear all the bold, italic, underline, but not we just kept the headlines and the paragraph. So we have something clear, but we have to do it again, the bold and italic and so on. So then we save, and and then we can check what has done. I don't know if it's so fast to update on the page. Yeah, now we see it's good. This is the good font, good size. So this is good now. We see it here. There is something wrong, one line too much. We should correct that here. And now done. Okay, that's it.